It's not about me, it's the team. And I know that sounds a little bit like a cliche, but really working under me and all around me in Herbalife, we do have a fantastic team of people.
Right.
I mean, these are dedicated industry experts all throughout the Herbalife world, and none more so than right here in India. Really, I'm very fortunate to work with leaders and team members who are all so dedicated and innovative and driven and knowledgeable. And those are the ones that make it work. And they work so well together as well. They work so seamlessly together naturally. So it's the combined skills and experience that keep the bar high for Herbalife. And so, you know, I do have a huge responsibility, but I sleep very well at night because I know the A-team is always on the job.